inside the trunk, you'll see this plastic nut here. Go ahead and remove that. Then you can pull down the carpet. That'll expose a second plastic nut right up here. Set that aside. Now from the outside, you can pry this part out. At the same time, you want to pry out on the outside here. There we go. That pops right out. Okay, with it out, you can now flip it over, and to disconnect these two connectors on the back, they have locking tabs. So this has a red one. Push that back, and then you can press down and disconnect that. Do the same for this one over here. Unlock the locking tab, disconnect the connector, and here's your old taillight. Now reconnect your electrical connectors. Start with this one. Don't forget to lock it in. And this one over here. Lock that in as well. Flip the taillight over, line it up with its mounting location. Once it's lined up, give it a loving bonk. It should snap right into place. Let's put on those plastic nuts to secure it. And put the carpet back. The other one goes right down here. Perfect.